You know, sir, Chris Overload and we say Overload Skankaz.
Yeah, Overload Skankaz. You know, sir, me have Ocean Overload. Alright, here me have Chin Overload with me.
What?
Yeah, right now I have a dance team, Gaza Man Crazy. Yeah, I demonstrated all the people in do it. And then I shot it up a real way. So you can get the drift of what I just teach you. You see me? So first, the stance is this. Right foot forward, right? And in parallel, the pelvis rock. And opposite pelvis. So it's like 1, 2, 3. You see me? And then wipe, any wipe you want. You see me? Because based on what and where you do it, you can do it occasionally crazy. So you can do all the wipe, the sweat, you see me? So I demonstrate it slow, showing the pelvis, how the pelvis move and how the hand move parallel to the pelvis. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You see me? Or you can do the occasional pull and you see me? So watch it now.
Yeah! Gaza Man Crazy. No, we insane.
Some boys who will link and feel like the link on the chain. Y'all don't mess with the brain. Don't know we feel real intimidating vain. I will be falling the rain.
Make it look like a scarp on the man. We style, what's a dark ink on the stain. Laugh till the cough if I think it's a joke I'm saying. To big girl, them not easy for time. For we link and a link on chain. Them for no cause and no cuss. Rise up my own, a face back a bus. Man, we no like, we no love, we no trust. If you want get a heart, get a girl, get it up.
Hold on, father, hold on.
Yeah. The last one was the advanced one, you see me? Advanced Gaza Man Crazy. So people catch it, watch it and learn it. DANCEJA, big up on yourself, Latin style.
Latin style, big up yourself, Black Eagle. Overload Skankaz, it's a target.
Alarm, they go off in the flame, and I like some boy up the points in the free. In the dance, and me bust me jagan. Watch where you walk.